As it's going to take around 3 hours to reach first destination, so the car stopped for tea break, and also there is a souvenir shop attached to the tea shop, can buy anything you want. At last we have reached our first destination, which is Bai Dinh Pagoda, which is spiritual and cultural complex is a complex of Buddhist temples.
You know that Vietnamese follow the Buddhism. The Buddhism starts from India and through China and to Vietnam. Because they believe that it will bring luck when they get home. So such a need praying and hoping for the good health. How about touching the hand? Yeah, it's still something. From here, you see some animals exist inside the Buddhism. A lion. Yeah. Good luck.
Wow, this is the Bai Dinh Temple. The compound consists of the original old temple and a newly created larger temple. It is considered the largest complex of Buddhist temples in Vietnam and has become a popular site for Buddhist pilgrimages from across Vietnam. After visiting the pagoda, we headed to a village where we did cycling through a couple of villages and through some beautiful landscapes. This attraction was part of the tour package. We were totally mesmerized by the view, and our guide took some beautiful snaps. After cycling for 30 minutes now, we are heading back to Origin. And after that, we had the yummiest continental buffet lunch, which was also part of the tour package. Now we have headed to our third attraction of our tour, which is Trang AN. Trang AN is a scenic area near Ninh Binh, Vietnam, renowned for its boat cave tours. On the 23rd of June 2014, at the 38th session of the World Heritage Committee in Doha, the Trang and Scenic Landscape Complex was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Boat ride has started and we are going to experience something unique, because our boat will go inside some caves. It's going to be so exciting. Going inside the first cave, and it's a small one, but so much thrilling. Going inside the second cave, and it's so much thrilling. Cave height is so much low, and it's such an unique experience, and we love it so much. Going inside the third cave, and it's absolutely thrilling. Cave height is now ultimate low. It's dark inside, which gives the perfect eerie feel. This is the most longest cave. It took around 20 minutes to cover this cave. At last, this boat ride has ended, and it took around 1.30 hours. At last, we have reached our last destination, the huge Mua Cave. A 360-degree, awe-inspiring view awaits travelers at Mua Caves Ninh Binh. Mua Caves Ninh Binh, located inside Ngoa Long Mountain, have been the go-to destination for shutterbugs and casual travelers alike thanks to the Instagram-worthy panoramic views from the peak above. I was always ahead of my team and got a very funny glimpse where people are so much tired. And at last I have reached top of the mountain, and wow, just look at the mesmerizing 360-degree panorama view. Oh my god, this is absolutely insane and worth climbing.
Obviously, that's not a good way to learn it.
Almost